Oh, pretty girl. Miss Courtney. You sound better today. You don't sound like a crazy seagull woman. Oh, look at Peepa. You doing tricks? You're like, who's on my toy? Peepa's usually the only one that plays with this toy, and now she's got a visitor. She's like, I gotta go check this out. Somebody's playing with my toy. She's like, I'll show you how it's done. You gonna play with Lemon Drop? There's Peepa and Lemon Drop playing together. Careful. Make way for your head. You like head first everything these days. It's fun. Lemon Drop says he's gonna go climbing. You got a long journey. Careful. Be careful, Mr. Lemon Drop. You got a long journey ahead of you. You traveled far to play with the toys. It's like,